The final video is here. You can see here our final C. Assalamu alaikum everyone. What's up guys? Sadullah Walla is here today with another video. I'm your Canva mentor. Today we are going to create a CTA, which is also called call to action animation for your YouTube channel or some other social media platforms. In today's video, I will tell you how you can create this animation and how you can create the animated call to action button. For that purpose, you just have to open your Canva account and then you have to select the educational video style and after that so we have selected the educational video size and now it's going to open a blank template here. I'm having some internet issues, that's why it's getting so slow. So here is the blank template. I'm just going in the element section and let's change the color for the background. Black is my favorite one, so I have selected the black color for my background and then I will go to the element section again and in the lines and shape section we will select a circle. Let's increase its size. I'm going to keep it in between the center. Okay, we did it. I'm just going to change the color of the circle. It's not looking so good. It's also not making a good sense. Actually, I'm not good at color selection, but I think the combination of black and yellow is looking so hot, and so we are going to recenter the circle and then I will go to the frames section. I'm going to select the circle. Sorry, it's not getting here. I have already searched the circle frame and here you can see here is my. You can see here I have selected the sizes and now let's keep it in the center. I'm just keeping it a little above the center and then we have to upload our photo here. I'm uploading my own photo. Here you can see I have drag and dropped my photo. Let's keep it in between the frame. So I have kept my photo in the frame and now let's add some CTAs in means call to actions. For that purpose I'm just going to add some text here. So I'm writing my own name Asadullah Wala and then I'm also going to use a shape. It will be the semi rectangle, the round shaped rectangle. I'm just going to resize this rectangle and I think the width should be more little and I'm just going to resize it. Now we have just to move our text between this shape and you can see here I did it. Now I'm just going to change the shape color. I think its width should be more small and but the length should be greater and the position should also be upward. So you can see here my graphic is looking so good. Now let me add some my slogan or some motto. If you are working for your client, he will provide you with all the information. I'm adding here cyber security researcher, which is my own title on my cyber zone and you can see here here is the uh, our animation design we have created, but it's not ended over here. We have to add some animations on it. For that, just we have to do some settings, and then now in we have selected the circle and then went for the animation section. And you can see here I have selected the animation for the circle in the storm. It is the storm. For my photo I have selected the pop animation, and for my you can also select either it's going to be on entrance or existence. Now for the rectangle we have to select the pop animation also, and for the text I am going to select the wipe animation. Now let's have a look on our final result. Now we have just have to download it and export it as a final video. So we just have to wait around 30 seconds, and then our and so you can see here our final video is here. You can see here our final CTA call to action is ready. I hope you will like the video. If you really liked it, don't forget to drop a like, and also provide us with your suggestions in the comment box. See you in the next video inshallah. Take care. Allah Hafiz.